Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find and then also buy 100x Solana meme coins. So first I'm going to show you guys how you can actually find 100x Solana meme coins, and then I'm going to show you how you can buy them. In order to follow this tutorial, what you need to do is first of all make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, but of course that's not necessary, but if you could, that will be really appreciated. But yeah, what you actually need is this website called dexscreener.com, so make sure to open it. Make sure that you have a Twitter account and make sure that you have a Telegram account with the Trojan bot. If you don't know what that is, it's a Telegram trading sniper bot. You need it in order to actually buy and sell Solana meme coins. Go check it out, first link in the description. I will have it linked also well in my YouTube bio, but easiest is simply using the first link in the description. That being said, right now what we need to do in order to actually buy and sell Solana meme coins, that's what I'm going to show you guys in just a second. I first want to of course show you guys how you can find them. So in order to do that, head over to dexscreener.com. Click on new pairs right here. So it's extremely important that you go to dexscreener.com, new pairs, and once you've done that, make sure that Solana is selected. Then make sure that trending is set to 5 minutes, and make sure that last 24 hours is also set to 5 minutes. Then make sure Solana is reselected. For some reason it will just deselect it. And once you've done that, click on age right here. And now these are all of the Solana meme coins that have launched in the last like 30 minutes. It's insane. A shitload of Solana meme coins are launching every single hour. And basically in order to only buy the ones that are actually doing good, what we want to do is simply scroll a little bit down, because all the meme coins that have launched in the last hour are most likely scams. Like a lot of these meme coins you're seeing right here will be gone from this platform called DexScreener within 30 minutes, because if a coin works, it's removed from DexScreener. So right now you don't want to look at the first 1 hour. What I would recommend doing is actually scrolling a little bit down. And you can see the more you scroll down, the denser the age is getting. We can see there are only a few coins for every single hour. That is simply because more than 99% of all coins that are right here are rugging in the next 30 minutes or so. Meaning that only the coins that are actually good and that have an actual team behind it are potentially doing good and could potentially do good from here. So basically scroll a little bit down until you find like the 10-hour mark or something, and these are meme coins that will at least not work. They could still go down and die out, but they're at least a little bit better than the rest. So once you're here at the 10 hours, what we're going to do is make sure first of all that the coin you're looking at has at least 5k in volume. If it does not have more than 5k in volume in the last 5 minutes, it most likely means that the project is dead. So make sure that you have at least 5k in volume in the last for 5 minutes basically. And I would also recommend making sure that the VDF or market cap is at least about 50k, otherwise it will most likely also just straight up work. Also make sure the liquidity is about 10k, but that's not that important. Now what we can do is just look for some coins, because all the coins in this space right here, we just know that they are not scams simply because they have not worked, and they will not work anytime soon most likely. So basically once we're right here, just look at some Solana coins with a good meme. So for example, I like, let me quickly see, do I find any meme coins right here that I think could potentially do good? I mean, I'm seeing this one, this Chunk coin. It has a good community, it has a good meme at least, and the name is also pretty decent. Then I look at the volume. We can see volume in the last 5 minutes is 15k, meaning it's definitely still active. Then we go further, we can see the liquidity is 60k, which is nice, and we can see it has a 600k market cap, meaning it is not too high of a market cap, also not too low. I would not recommend looking at coins with a market cap higher than 5 million, simply because those are extremely hard to do at 100x basically. So yeah, I will look at this coin. All I do is click on it, and of course, as an example, it could still go down. I've not done that much research. I just found the coin, I like the meme, so it could do good. We can see this already went explosive in the last like 30 minutes or something, actually the last few hours. But yeah, we can see right now that this is definitely not a work, and it may or may not actually goes for a next leg up. So we have already found a potential coin that could do good. Now, how do you actually know if the coin is good? Well, first of all, make sure that the 24-hour volume is at least a few $1 million. Currently it is 2.5, which is perfect. If it's any lower, it just means that the project is not really hyped, meaning it will most likely not go much higher. I would also recommend making sure that it is at least in DexScreener trending. If you don't know, this DexScreener trending is a place where meme coins go when they are doing good and basically performing good. So make sure that it has this fire symbol with a number after it. That's really important. Of course, it is not necessary, but the more it is trending on DexScreener, the higher the likely the chance is it will perform good. So yeah, now that we have done this, what we're going to do is simply copy the address, because we of course need to do some research on it. So just copy the contract address like this. What we're then going to do is simply paste that in Twitter, just like this. And now we're searching for Twitter posts with that are basically mentioning this coin, and we're just going to basically look at all of these coins and see what these people are saying. You will immediately notice if a coin is hyped, if it has a lot of Twitter posts, and also what people think of it. Sometimes when you paste a contract, it will immediately say that it's a scam basically, and all those kind of things, and then you should just not buy it. However, if you have noticed that a lot of people are talking bullish about it, or saying they bought it basically, then it could potentially do really good. We can see right now that a lot of people are simply talking about it, that it's potentially doing good. We're quickly going to head over into latest, and we can see, yeah, this is definitely getting some posts, and definitely a lot of people are aping into this project. What you can then do is also find the ticker if it's basically big enough. I'm not sure if I'm going to find any post about it, simply because it's still a small coin. But yeah, we can see right here at top, the ticker is actually showing the right coin. And yeah, we can just see even more tweets about this project. And you can also see who is posting about this. If a lot of influencers are posting about it, it's most likely safe, because they will of course do their own due diligence. And they of course don't want to shill random shit to their followers, so they of course also do some research on it. Sometimes influencers have alpha as well, but the public doesn't know. So I would just recommend double checking if some influencers are posting it as well. We can see definitely a lot of people talking about it. If you're following a lot of Solana meme coin accounts, you can also make sure to select people you follow, and then you will only get posts from people you're following. We can already see so that some pretty big people are talking about this. I mean, this guy has 160,000 followers, which is decent. So yeah, definitely a lot of interest right now on Twitter. Once we've done that, just make sure you have still that contract address copied. What we're now going to do is head over into Telegram, but actually what we're going to do is head over to this bot called Is the Dev Selling bot. I will link this bot down below, because it's really important that you actually check if the developers are not maybe scamming or airdropping their tokens to their own addresses so they can sell it. So what you do is type /start like this. It will ask you for a Solana contract address. You click on enter, and it will say processing your request. And then most of the time it will show you something like this, basically a thing like this, basically what it's showing right now. It's showing me if the developers are rigging. First of all, it shows me the liquidity, which is good. It shows me the top 10 holders, which is 13%, which is definitely nice. We can see that basically the developer doesn't own any Solana, any of the token, 0%, and that's what you want to look for. Make sure it says 0%, that's extremely important, but also make sure it says that sales is 0. We can see right now the sales are only 3.7 Solana, so that's not a lot, but what you can do is head over into the Telegram of this coin and actually ask why they did that. Maybe they wanted to pay for some marketing, that's completely fine, but if they're simply pocketing it to their own pockets, then of course it is a scam, and you should not take a look at it anymore, because it will most likely die out because it's being scammed. So this is extremely important. Now once you double check that it says something like this, found 2 wallets with 0%, and just make sure they are not selling, then basically you're good to go and you can just start buying this coin. Of course, this is still not a guarantee that it will do good after you've done all of this. It basically just shows that at least the coin is good. It could still go 0, of course. It needs to have a good community and those kind of things, so you need to check the Telegram and the Twitter, and if that is looking good, it could potentially go higher, but it's definitely not a guarantee for a 10x or a 100x. It's still basically gambling. I mean, you're gambling on 100 coins, and one of them will do a 100x and the rest will do a 10x or simply die out. And that's basically how you gotta play this game. You need to have a lot of coins you think do good, and as long as you do some good research, you should eventually start becoming profitable, because you do have an edge. It's not like in casino. The casino always has an edge, but basically trading Solana meme coins, you actually have the edge. So yeah, that's basically how it's working, what I'm doing in order to make some decent money. Now, how can you actually buy this coin? Like I already said, you need to buy this through a Telegram trading /sniper bot. So why buy it through a bot and not on Radium? First of all, Radium is much slower. You've probably noticed when you're trying to use it, it takes a long time to load. It says pool not found, all those issues. Just don't use Radium. It's extremely slow. What we're going to use is a Telegram sniper bot. I have it linked, first link in the description. Go check it out. It will bring you to this right here. All you do is type /start. So go to the first link in the description, it will bring you to Telegram, make sure you have an account. Then click on the bot and type /start. It may ask you to click start right here, that's fine. Type /start, and once you've done that, it will automatically generate a wallet for you. So this is my wallet. And basically what you can do is simply send some Solana to your own generated wallet. So everyone has a different wallet, just send some Solana to your generated wallet. Basically you can do this from Bybit or Binance, just send some Solana to it. Basically once you've done that, what we can now do is click on buy right here. Just click on buy like this, enter a token symbol or address to buy. So paste it right here like that. Once you've done that, simply type in how much Solana you want to buy. Doesn't really matter how much you're going to buy. However, the more you buy, of course, the riskier it gets, but the more profit you eventually make. So you can click on XSOL and type in how much Solana you want to buy. Now, I'm not going to buy this coin because it was just an example, but basically once you've bought, it will show at positions. Just click there and it will show you all the coins you're holding. So click on positions and it will show you your P&L and all those kind of things. And literally that's all you need to do in order to buy the coin. Buying the coin, of course, is the easiest part. Finding a coin that doesn't 100x, of course, is the hardest part. But I hope I basically explained how at least I am doing it. I am doing this with every single coin I'm buying. It could take a few hours in order to find an actual good coin, because this was just an example and I got lucky that it was looking pretty decently. But if not, then just wait for Dex Screener to basically show you more coins, or wait for people to make more coins. And just wait till you find a good project. You don't have to buy a coin every single day. Just wait for a good project, and once you've done that, you should be good to go. And you can just potentially make money. Of course, I am not a financial advisor, and I'm definitely not saying that this is some kind of an unlimited money glitch. This is what I am doing, and sometimes I'm profitable, sometimes I'm not. So you just gotta do what you think is best. But this is at least how I am trading Solana meme coins and how I'm finding potential good ones. It's still a casino basically. It's still extremely risky. Only invest what you're affording to lose. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. You can find the bot I'm using, both of the bots I'm using for trading and analyzing, in the description below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and that being said, I hope I will see you in the next crypto, meme coin, tutorial, review, whatever.